Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best outdoor cat houses that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the PetsFit 2-story outdoor cat house. PetsFit 2-story outdoor cat house is an easy-to-assemble and clean product. The beauty of this product will make your cat happy. When it rains, you do not have to worry about your kitty getting wet because it has an asphalt roof. We love the way this product looks and improves the aesthetics of your garden or backyard. It is one of the best outdoor houses for cats with an escape door. The cat house has 2 doors, one door is in front and one escape door under the latter, easy to assemble with pre-drilled holes and no tools needed except screwdriver. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the PetsFit Weatherproof Outdoor Cat House. Basic information: wood, natural cedar paint, water-based paint, outer dimension 27.5 LX 17.5 WX 20 H. Note: keep pets from swallowing the component. Designs and functions: 1. Harmless paint will not affect your pet's health. 2. Perfect structural design, whether wind or rain, always give your pet a safe space. 3. Portable, it can be easily moved to anywhere. 4. Easy to set up with just a few steps. Warranty: 1. PetsFit adhere to return policy. 2. Within 30 days, any quality problems, we will take full responsibility. Attention! Please measure your pet and check the inner dimension. At number 3, we have the Pet Peppy Outdoor and Indoor Cat House. Pet Peppy is a premium quality product which has all the characteristics of an amazing pet house. It is lightweight and durable. The product is waterproof and insulated, which keeps your pet safe and happy. The easy assembly makes this a great product as no additional tools are needed. Self-heating mat is included with the product, which keeps your cat comfortable. There are dual openings in the house which allows the cat to escape when they are confronted by predators. The product is easy to clean and the luxurious home is enjoyed by the cats. At number 2, we have the PetsFit 2-story Weatherproof Cat House. PetsFit 2-story Weatherproof Cat House has 2 stories and is meant for outdoor use. The top of the product can be removed for easier cleaning. It has an asphalt roof which keeps the snow and rain away. The product is easy to assemble with pre-drilled holes. Basic information: wood, natural cedar paint, water-based paint, outer dimension 20 LX 20 WX 32 H. Note: keep pets from swallowing the component. Designs and functions: 1. Harmless paint will not affect your pet's health. 2. Perfect structural design, whether wind or rain, always give your pet a safe space. 3. Portable, it can be easily moved to anywhere. 4. Easy to set up with just a few steps. And finally, at number 1, we have the LazyMoon Cat House Outdoor Fun. LazyMoon Cat House Outdoor has a large entry, which means 2 cats can easily enter and stay cozy. It takes 30 minutes to assemble the product, which includes the hardware as well. The product comes with a window with a pane and a sliding door. LazyMoon offers total comfort to your feline friend and makes sure that they stay safe in harsh weather conditions. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.